Welcome back. This short video is part of our playlist called Learn English Phrasal Verbs. Today's phrasal verb is aim at. It's quite popular, which is why it has found its way to our list of most frequently used phrasal verbs in English. Before we get started, do consider helping us. Subscribe, give a like and hit that notification button. This way, we can continue to provide you with more videos like this one. Aim at has three different definitions. To point a weapon at someone or something. To intend to achieve. To create for a particular demographic. We'll kick off by having a look at how to conjugate aim at. In the infinitive, aim at. In the present tense, aim at, or aims at. Gerund, aiming at. Past tense, aimed at. Past participle, aimed at. Let's have a look at each meaning with some examples. To point a weapon at someone or something. In archery class, we learned how to aim the bow and arrow at the target to hit the bull's eye. Never aim a gun at someone you don't intend to shoot. The assassin aimed the gun at his target. The soldiers aimed their rifles at the enemy. To intend to achieve. Argentina are aiming at their third World Cup title. Let's aim at waking up early tomorrow to run. I suggest we aim at finishing our project before the end of the week. The company aimed at a 30% increase in revenue for the upcoming year. To create for a particular demographic. Did you see that diet commercial aimed at people who want to lose weight? There needs to be more television programs aimed at people 50 years and older. Many store owners aim at the youngest clients when positioning sweets and candy. Thank you very much for coming by. If this video provided you with some value, do consider helping us. You know what to do. Subscribe, give a like and hit the notification button. This way you help us grow, while never missing a video from us. Take care and see you soon again.